made of chocolate sweet, wearing a wrapper bow so neat. Sat on a cookie wall so tall and wide, looking at the candy land with pride. The wall was made of graham cracker squares, frosted with icing everywhere. Humpty smiled and waved hello to all his friends down below. Humpty Dumpty had a great big fall. He wobbled, he wiggled on that wall. Down he tumbled with a wee into a pudding pool. Oh my, oh me. Splash went Humpty in vanilla cream, the biggest pudding splash you've ever seen. He melted into chocolatey drops like yummy rain that never stops. All the gummy bears came running fast, hoping they could help at last. Red and green and yellow too will help you, Humpty, that's what friends do. All the chocolate soldiers marched in line. Don't worry, Humpty, you'll be fine. But Humpty laughed and said with glee, I've got a better idea, you'll see. Couldn't put Humpty together again, so something magical happened then. Humpty became chocolate rain so light, floating up into the sky so bright. Now when you visit Chocolate Island there, chocolate raindrops dance through the air. Humpty's happy, can't you tell? He became something magical and swell. Chocolate rain, chocolate plain, Humpty Dumpty fell and changed it again. Sweet and brown and falling down, the sweetest rain in Candy Town. Drip, drop, clip, plop, chocolate raindrops never stop. Humpty smiling from above, sharing chocolate joy and love. So if you're sad when something breaks, remember Humpty and the choice he makes. Sometimes when we fall and change our way, we become something better every day.